Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Wednesday. Well, today, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have a review, so let's find out what is in the bag. Well, we have a beaded cross stitch. Let me get this out of its bag. And this kit comes from GBFKE, and this is a 30 by 40, and it was $25.12. Is that not stunning? Gorgeous, gorgeous butterfly and all those beautiful, beautiful flowers. I just absolutely loved it. It is 108 by 143. So let's open this up. Before I do, if GBFKE has any specials or any discount codes, or if I have any discount codes, I'll put them right in here and in the description box below. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Get it undone here. Has a nice little sticker there. Pull everything out. If I can get it to come out. Whoa! Everybody's shedding here. Alright, so it does come with its own spool of threads and all the beads. Let's see here. And it does have instructions on how to start, how to finish. Well, start, basically. You want to go all in one direction, either this way or this way. Is there a... Did I miss something? Nope. Okay, whoops. Sorry. Is there instructions? There's no instructions or like little... What do you call it? That's so weird. Never had one. Nope. There is no diagram with this. Maybe they don't put them in the little ones. I don't know. But you usually always have one. And this has 30 colors to it. But yeah, there's absolutely no what you call it. We'll look at the beads first. Kind of odd. And it comes in a nice Ziploc bag here. Well, these are kind of different. Never seen this. Shit. We're having an issue. Hold, please. All right, I am back. I got one of my little Japanese teacups that I got at a store. Evidently, one of these is open. I do have some tape nearby. But they don't come in Ziploc bags. This kind doesn't. So that's kind of odd. Let me put these in order, and I will be right back. All right, I am back. All the colors are here. The only thing I have to say is that something is leaking beads, and they're in this bag, and these are the ones off my desk. I'm sure there's a couple more somewhere, but at least all the colors are there. I don't know why they started putting them in these horrible plastic-ish bags, because they're going to be a pain, and you can see they are very staticky, and sometimes they come in the Ziploc bags staticky, and we have hitchhikers all over the place here. There's 3 different ones in that one particularly, but yeah, the colors are beautiful. So yeah, I will have to sort all that out at one point, but just gorgeous, awesome colors. Yeah, today I will decide on a color And when we do the stitch with me, and I will sort this later because I don't have time today to go through and put them, you know, in their perspective things. But gorgeous colors. But yeah, one little hint for the company that makes these, go back to the Ziploc bags, because yeah, what can I say? And I'm just going to leave that little cup on my desk until I figure out which bunch that goes into. And look at this one. It's got like 50 of the wrong color in with that. At least one's light and one's dark. Yeah, I'm not sure. But go back to Ziploc, people. Oh my goodness gracious. There must have been an issue. There's a couple hitchhikers in that one. And, you know, picking up these bags, I didn't see where there was a hole anywhere. But, yeah, fun times. To be had by all. Oh, there's two more. I was going to get out the canvas, and I'm going to put zip this closed. Thank God they were in a Ziploc bag and not just in the thing. Yeah, we are having fun now. Yeah, this is the pre-game show. Oh my goodness. Yeah, not today. Laura doesn't have that kind of patience. What is going on? Holy cow. Was this kid an afterthought or what? I've never seen one this poorly done. So, hopefully. But it looks nicely printed. It is serged all the way around, and it does come with 2 needles. So, that's a good thing. Looks like some confetti going on here. But we'll have to see. But nicely printed key over here, so you can see all the symbols really well. So that's a good thing. And how much did I mean, how big? 30 by 40. So at least it's not huge. I couldn't remember when I got it how big it was. But I knew it wasn't one of those great big ones for that price. So 50 centimeters, or about 19 3/4 inches by 39.5 centimeters, or 15.5 inches. Actual is almost 12 inches, or almost 30.5 centimeters by, a little over 40 centimeters, or 15 3/4 inches. So it's not too big, which is nice. And it is full coverage on this one, but I thought it was a gorgeous picture. I really, really did. I found another bead trying to escape here. Oh God, get it there. I'm sure there's going to be a couple more here and there, but very well printed. And I do like this. This is on 9-count fabric. I'm going to move those needles before I jam them in my hand, because they're the same size needles as you would use for your 11-count, because the beads have nice big holes in it, so it doesn't require a real fine beading needle. But very well done, this part. Yeah, it'll be sorting and sifting. It's like diamond painting all over again. Do you remember when the diamond paintings used to come with those little big packages? Ugh, it would just be horrendous and, what do you call it, staticky? Ugh. We'll see, guys. We will see. But this is all that I got from GBFKE. Thank you, GBFKE, for this. It's a beautiful kit. It's just, I don't like the plastic things, and yeah, the plastic little bags, because they're going to be a pain when you get ready, because it won't all fit. Do I have one? Oh, of course I don't have one right now. What I put them in, you know, when I use them, So, yeah, it'll take a hot moment, but we're going to pick one color when I do the stitch with me. And we're going to go with it because, yeah, I don't have that patience today. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow it'll give me something to do. Now, they do have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. So now they have beaded cross stitch, they have silk cross stitch. So they always have great prices and great selection of things. So there's always something for everybody at their store. And like I said, if they have any coupons or discounts, it'll be at the beginning of the video and in the description box below. So do check them out. Thank you for watching today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.